Hello everyone, my name is Tayyaba Khan. I'm certified dietitian and I hope you all are doing well during this blessed month Ramzan, and I hope you are taking care of yourself and taking good diet in this month. If you are not, then I will show you some little top tips of diet in the month of Ramzan. So let's take a look. So there are two types of diet you have to follow during this month of Ramzan. सबको पता है कि दो तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं, इफ्तार एंड सुहूर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सुहूर. आपको 3-4 बातों का ध्यान रखना है. जो सबसे ज़्यादा, दैट यू हैव टू टेक प्लेंटी ऑफ प्रोटीन, जिसमें कि एग तो मस्ट है लेना. दूसरी चीज़, यू हैव टू टेक सम सोया प्रोडक्ट्स, टोफू, ओट्स, बार्ले. You can take sprouted foods like sprouted chana, sprouted moong dal. दूसरी चीज़, you have to take fiber-rich foods, legumes and vegetables. Vegetables which are darker in color, they are much higher in fiber. Third thing, you have to take low-fat foods that are skim milk, whole grain foods like oats, barley, rice, toast, etc. Second is iftar. इसमें आपको सबसे ज़्यादा जिस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है वो है, you have not to take plenty of water at one time. जब हम रोज़ा खोलते हैं तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप लगातार 2-3 गिलास पानी पी लीजिए, because this can lead to make your digestive enzyme formation less, जो कि आपके हार्टबर्न एसिडिटी फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प कर सकता है. दूसरी चीज़ कि दिन भर में जब आप फास्ट रहते हैं तो आपको कुछ चीज़ों को अवॉइड करना है जो आपकी थिंकिंग से होती है. लाइक यू हैव टू अवॉइड फूड सेंस, यू हैव टू अवॉइड फूड विजुअल्स जो कि आपको थर्स्टी और हंगर फील करा सकती हैं. कार्ब्स एंड कैलोरीज के लिए आपको जिन बातों में ध्यान रखना है वो ये है कि आपको इफ्तार में ईजिली या फास्ट डाइजेस्टेबल फूड ही लेने हैं, विच आर हाई इन ग्लाइकेमिक इंडेक्स, दैट आर बनानास, टोस्ट, वाइट राइस रेसिपी, एग्स. एंड उसके अलावा आप मिडनाइट यानी कि डिनर में मीट इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं जो कि ईजिली डाइजेस्टेबल है, ताकि आप अपने नेक्स्ट मील के लिए प्रिपेयर रह सकें. दैट इज सुहूर. सुहूर में इसी तरह आपको लो डाइजेस्टेबल फूड का इंटेक करना है, विच आर लो इन ग्लाइकेमिक इंडेक्स, दैट आर होल ग्रेन फूड्स एंड होल मिल्क विथ हार्ड चीज एंड nuts, oats, etc. So let's make a general view on your diet. First of all, divide your food intake into 3 meals, that is iftar, midnight and suhoor. Second thing is boil, bake or grill your food instead of frying it. Third thing is avoid processed and canned foods because of its high content of salt, which can feel you thirsty all over the day. Fourth thing is do not exercise during the daytime. Exercise after iftar is the best time. And the fifth thing is do not eat too much at one time, जो कि आपको फुल फील करा सकता है और आप दूसरे मील के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं हो सकते. So thank you for listening me and giving me your time. Eat smartly, stay safe, stay home.
Hi, this is me, Srishti Mishra, dietitian from Manak Nagar, Lucknow. I want to share some morning to night healthy diet for all of you. Start your day with morning drink. For this, you have to take 1 tablespoon of coriander leaf paste, half lemon juice with lukewarm water. Now, you are thinking that why coriander leaf with lukewarm water? Because it boosts your immunity, it boosts your metabolism, it gives you a lot of nutrient like zinc, potassium, sodium, antioxidant, vitamin C and vitamin A too. After this, neither drink nor eat anything for at least half an hour. After that, may you have your regular breakfast like poha, upma, oats, dalia with veggies, etc. Because all these dishes are loaded with lot of nutrients like fiber, protein, calcium, vitamins, carbs, etc. In lunchtime, you have to take a balanced diet like chapati, rice, pulses, vegetable, curd, and salad. But one point that you have to keep in your mind, don't mix salad with your meal. Firstly, take salad and after then your meal. In the evening time or in your snacks time, you have many options like puffed rice, sweet potato, uh, bengal gram, etc. Because all these food stuffs are loaded with lot of fibers and many other nutrients too. In the dinner time, one point that you have to keep in your mind is avoid to take rice and curd and fruit if it is possible. After dinner you have to take 1 to 2 hour gap, and after this you have to end your day with night drink, and for this you have to take 1 glass of golden milk. That is, you can say that haldi wala doodh, because it gives you a lot of antioxidant, boosts your immunity, enhances your capacity, or gives you a lot of energy, decreases cancer risk, decreases joint pain, etc. Thank you for watching my video. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay home. Thank you.